The special air quality statement issued by Environment Canada on Saturday continues now into Sunday, June 25. The statement was issued at 5:31 a.m., and said high levels of air pollution have developed around Sudbury and other parts of northeastern Ontario because of smoke from forest fires. Smoke plumes from forest fires in Quebec and northeastern Ontario will continue to affect the area, resulting in deteriorated air quality, said the statement. An air quality index website said the level of smoke pollution in Sudbury is among the worst on the planet today. In a listing showing the most polluted cities, Sudbury is listed as 4th. North Bay is 2nd. Those values have been fluctuating throughout the day, however. Overall, the air quality listing for Sudbury is hazardous, said the website. A forecast for the coming week shows Sudbury's air quality index will ease off a bit on Monday and Tuesday, but it will spike again on Wednesday and Thursday. Environment Canada's statement added that air quality and visibility can change from hour to hour as well as fluctuating over short distances. Environment Canada said wildfire smoke can be harmful to everyone's health, even at low concentrations. People are urged to continue taking actions to protect their health and reduce exposure to smoke. People with lung disease, such as asthma, or heart disease, older adults, children, pregnant people, and people who work outdoors are at higher risk of experiencing health effects caused by wildfire smoke, said the statement. Stop outdoor activities and contact your healthcare provider if you or someone in your care experiences shortness of breath, wheezing, including asthma attacks, severe cough, dizziness or chest pains. Stay inside if you are feeling unwell and experiencing symptoms, the statement advises. Public Health Sudbury and District repeated the Environment Canada statement on the Public Health website, with the advisory to protect yourself from the effects of wildfire smoke. The Health Unit offers the following advice. Avoid outdoor physical exertion. Stop, reduce, or reschedule strenuous outdoor activities. Keep airways moist by drinking plenty of water. Breathe through a warm, moist washcloth to help relieve dryness. Visit places with cleaner, filtered air, such as libraries or shopping malls. If the temperature is comfortable, keep windows closed indoors and in vehicles. Use the recirculation setting on air conditioners and HVAC systems to prevent smoke from entering. Once the outdoor air has improved, adjust the setting to bring in fresh air. Follow your healthcare provider's advice about managing your condition. People who have asthma should follow their asthma management plan.